Richard Dawson is your host for the fussin' and the fightin' and the feudin' and the fun. It's Family Feud, weeknights at 7:30 on Channel 7. This is a test. For the next minute, this station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with the FCC and other authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been instructed where to tune in your area for news and official information. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system serving the Massachusetts area.
WNAC TV, Channel 7, Boston.
Friday, April